Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will see the Gemma 4 model. This model is just released and Gemma 4 is most intelligent open source models built from Gemini 3 research and technology to maximize intelligence per parameter. So this is Gemma 4. What is new in Gemma 4? The model size is maximum compute and memory efficient model and unprecedented intelligence per parameter, and capabilities are agentic workflow, so build autonomous agents that plan, navigate apps and complete tasks with native support for functional calling. Multimodal reasoning, it supports the multilingual reasoning. Develop application with the strong audio and visual understanding for rich multimodal support, and it supports 140 languages. Create multilingual experiences that go beyond translation and understand cultural context. You can fine tune this. You can fine tune this model on your own dataset. Efficient architecture. It comes with the efficient architecture. Run models on your own hardware for efficient development and deployment. So these are the features of Gemma 4 and its model performance versus size. You can download this model for Hugging Face for Olama, Kaggle, LM Studio and Docker as well. So I am going to run it for LM Studio. So this is the URL to download the model, and click on LM Studio. So model is already downloaded, so I will use this model into the chat. So Gemma 4 model is being loaded, and so this is a vision model, so I can ask question from the model. Copy this image, go to LM Studio, paste here and ask what is inside the image. So image features a dog or similar breed with light, fluffy, golden colored fur. So this is telling about the dog. So you can ask anything and then it will uh, answer your question. Llama serve, you can use the Llama serve HF G MLORG Gemma 4 EB ITGGUF, and it will run the on the Llama serve API. Gemma is a family of open models built by Google DeepMind. Gemma 4 models are multi-model handling text and image inputs with audio supported on small models and generating text outputs. This release includes open weight model in both pre-trained and instruction tuned variants. Gemma 4 feature is a context window up to 256 tokens and maintains multilingual support over 140 languages. So this is the models are available in distinct sizes EB, E2B, E4B, 26B and A4B and 31B. So their diverse sizes make them deployment in environments ranging from high-end phones to laptops and servers, democratizing access to state-of-the-art AI. So this is very capable model and it can deploy in mobile, desktop and the servers. And this model can be used for capabilities like architecture advancements. Uh, it is used for reasoning. It is used for extended multi-modalities, diverse and efficient architectures, and optimized for on-device. And it comes with an increased context window. So it supports 256K token windows and enhanced coding and agenting capability. Achieves notable improvements in coding benchmark alongside function calling support, powering highly capable autonomous agents. So this is a very capable model and it can be used for many different tasks. It can run on GPU, it can run on CPUs as well. So Gemma 4 models are designed to deliver frontier level performance at each sizes, targeting deployment scenarios from mobile and edge devices to consumer GPU and workstations. They are well suited for reasoning, agentic workflows, coding, and multi-model understandings. The model employs a hybrid attention mechanism that interleaves local sliding window attention and with full global attention, ensuring the final layer is always global. And this hybrid design delivers the processing speed and low memory footprint of the lightweight models without sacrificing the deep awareness required for complex long context tasks. To optimize memory for long context, global layers features unified keys and values and apply proportional ROPE. So dense models are E2B, E4B and 31B dense. So you can also use this into the program. You have to import Gemma 4 31 billion IT and load the model, and after model loading you can use it for inference. So these are the examples of code processing audio, then code processing images and code processing videos. So it can be used for audio, images and videos. So this is a very capable model and can be used for many different tasks. So training data sets are web documentation, code, mathematics, images, and data processing are CSAM filtering, sensitive data filtering, or additional models, additional methods. So you can learn about these models, this model here. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.